Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create bulleted lists on Google Docs. This could be useful if you want to take a list of things or you just want it for formality on a typical academic text. So, let's get started. Don't worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, you want to ensure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date so we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, once you have opened your Google Chrome, click on your search bar either on this portion of your screen or on the top one and search Google Docs. Now, as you can see, once we hit enter, it gives us tons of results to choose from. However, we would only like to click on the first link right here. Click it once and it will redirect you to this page right here. From this page, you want to click on Go to Docs. Click it once and it will redirect you to this page right here. Now, in order for us to create a new document, you can click on this one, or you can choose from the other formats, which is resume, letter, project proposal, and many more. But in my case, I would like to start a blank document. Click on it once, and as you can see, it gives us a blank canvas right here. You can change the file name right here, but I would like to keep it like this. Let us now focus on creating bulleted list. Let's say, for example, I would like to list down lists of things for my subscribers to do. Now, I want to create a bullet of the things that I want you, my subscribers, to do. How do we do that? You need to navigate on this upper portion of the screen. As you can see, there are tons of options to choose from, but let us focus on this one, the bulleted lists option. You can either click on this one to create a bulleted list, but if you want other options of bullets, you can click on the arrow icon right here. As you can see, it gives us tons of options to choose from, different icons and bullets, but I would like to keep it simple and choose this one. Click on it once, and as you can see, it gives us a bullet now. Now, I can type in, like the video. Now, to create another bullet, just click enter on your keyboard. Subscribe. I would like to create another bullet, just click enter. Comment, and one last more bullet. Share the video. Now, I would like to insert another text on the bottom, but not in bullet form anymore. How do we do that? Click enter on your keyboard, which will insert another bullet, and then backspace twice. Now, as you can see, we are back on the default format of our text. Now, I can click enter and type my text. Now, as you can see, I have entered another text right here without the bullet form format. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one, and thank you for watching.